it's Miss Hake back again for some numeracy. So yesterday we talked about spheres and we made balls, and hopefully we got to go and bounce some balls and play with balls and roll balls. The 3D shape we're going to talk about today is a lot like a sphere because it does roll. Somebody want to take a guess? Yeah. It's a cylinder. So that song was super fun about the cylinders. So what you're going to do today is you're going to make sure you have cylinders available for your little learners. Toilet paper rolls, paper towel rolls, Pringles cans, blocks, anything. And then you're going to have them design a ramp and see how far they can roll their cylinder. So it's going to be a really hands-on week with your 3D shapes. After you have a class discussion after the song about the properties of a cylinder, you can have them do some hands-on investigation and really make and create ramps to roll the cylinders. It doesn't have to be that complicated. I wouldn't show them how to do it per se, but doing something like a platform and just taking what you have around the house, whether it's just a marker case and having it up on the platform and grabbing a cylinder and having them roll and seeing how far it rolls. And it's really cool to watch them learn through play and hands-on and kind of play with the fact that the height and the angle of their ramp and how far they push. It's just amazing to see what they will come up with. Another extension activity for this after playing and rolling and looking at cylinders is to give each little learner a paper towel roll and they can design their own cylinder and make one. So that's a beautiful example of being creative and making their own shapes again. If you don't have paper towel rolls for everybody, you can go back to the Play-Doh and you could create and form some cylinders that way. All right, have a beautiful time investigating cylinders today, and I'll see you soon.